Some scientists believe the snow cap of Mount Kilimanjaro will be gone in 2 decades. Researchers say the ice fields on Africa's highest mountain shrank by 80% in the past century. The snow cap formed some 11,000 years ago. The Landsat satellite captured these images of Kilimanjaro in 1993 and 7 years later in the year 2000. This computer animation shows how polar ice reflects light from the sun. As this ice begins to melt, less sunlight gets reflected into space. It is instead absorbed into the oceans and land, raising the overall temperature and fueling further melting. As glaciers, the polar caps and icebergs melt, less sunlight gets reflected into space. Instead, the oceans and land absorb the light, thus raising the overall temperature and adding energy to a vicious circle. On August 13, 2005, almost the entire Ailes ice shelf calved from the northern edge of Ellesmere Island. This continues the trend of dramatic loss of these ice shelves over the past century, reducing the remaining ice shelves there from 6 to 5. Since 1900, approximately 90% of the Ellesmere ice shelves have calved and floated away. There is insufficient new ice formation to replace the ice that has been lost. The Isles calving event was the largest in at least the last 25 years. The animation shows a graph of carbon dioxide versus time. First data is shown from about the last 400,000 years. Next, this graph slides to the left and a new graph slides on, showing carbon dioxide from the last 1,000 years.